Stop guessing where your team's time is going and start tracking it with precision using Clockify. This quick tutorial will show you how to use Clockify to track individual employee time and productivity, giving you the insights you need to optimize your workforce. First, ensure that you have created a Clockify workspace and invited all of your employees to join. To verify, navigate to the users page from the sidebar here. You should see a comprehensive list of all team members who have access to track time within your workspace. Next, encourage your employees to consistently use the Clockify timer or manually enter their time spent on specific projects and tasks. Accurate time entries are the foundation of effective tracking. They simply select the project, enter a description of the task, and start the timer. Now, for the real power, go to the Reports section. You can filter reports by individual employees to see exactly how much time each person is spending on different projects. Select Detailed Report, then choose the specific employee you want to analyze. Customize the date range and other filters to drill down into specific periods. Clockify provides various visualizations like charts and graphs to help you quickly understand work patterns and identify areas for improvement. Furthermore, explore the project dashboard to see a consolidated view of how different employees are contributing to individual projects. This allows you to assess workload distribution and project progress effectively. Finally, make sure to explore Clockify Settings to customize your tracking preferences and set employee permissions. You can tailor Clockify to fit your specific organizational needs and ensure that everyone is using the system effectively. Now you can make data-driven decisions to boost productivity.